What is it?
This.
What is it? Oh, you're just looking at the pantry items. Ooh. Ooh. Look at your new kitchen. It's Haley's kitchen. Yay! Can you open some doors? Yeah. Open some doors, Fifi. Oh. Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, open some doors. Open doors. Like this. Oh, what's inside? That's the oven tray. Oh, thank you. You put it back in?
Yeah.
Yay! You turn the knobs. Mama help. Ooh. Water comes out. Pretend water comes out. Oh, gentle. Okay. And then we open this up. Pull, pull. Pull. Ooh. We're going to be a little rough with this in the beginning. Push it. Hard. Really hard. Say thank you, Dada. Thank you, Dada. Thank you, Mama. Say Dada. Say Dada. Say Mama. Haley, say Mama. No. Okay, thank you, Dada.